Yo, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hit record. Come on now. Morning, Ohio. How you doing this weekend? I mean, this morning. How was your weekend is what I was going to say. Yeah, it's been good. They're still here, actually. Yeah, they're going to leave today. They're probably watching right now. Yeah. Oh, you see the hoodie? Hold up. Oh, yeah. I'm sure you've heard all about me. Yeah, that's all we talked about, actually. All weekend was you. Oh, it's the CEO. CEO's in the building. Come on. All right. If we're looking at gold here, so it's tapped in on the daily to the... What are you saying about me? Oh, CEO DZ, yeah. So it tapped into the daily resistance here with this wick. You do have that rejection area there. So if it does want to come down, here's the 4-hour low sitting right here. So it's actually coming down there maybe. So something to watch here at the 30-minute is if we get a closure below on this 30-minute time frame here. That would be the 4-hour lows as well. So a possibility there for sells for sure, since we tapped in on the daily to that area. 4-hour coming down, 1 hour, 30, all that jazz. So we'll see here in about 8 minutes what kind of closure we get. Is that Data Boy? Data Boy, what are you talking about, bro? I'm here exactly on the time I need to be here. It's exactly the time. Yeah. Okay, so we're waiting on gold for maybe a closure below possibility. No. Okay, I schedule it for 7:15 real time. And then, you know, I let the intro play out because I'm doing stuff. And then when I'm ready, I come in. Come in hot. You know what I'm saying? Did it? What you know about this? Huh? What you know about this? Nothing. Hold on, I got some for you on this stream.
Call me crazy.
Yeah. I'm just looking for a good... You sound like Ohio. You sound exactly like Ohio. All wick, no candle. He just comes in and drops one-liners. Goldie's wild. Big candle fan. Yeah, this guy's a big candle fan.
Call me crazy.
All right, we got like 5.5 minutes or so. See what happens here. You got me up on the TV downstairs or what? Yeah, I want to know what comes after that too. Hopefully it's not this.
JD's a big old loser.
That's probably what it was. It's messed up. Checks out. All right, let's check out NQ. All right. Yeah, you could, buddy. It's just too much for you. All right, so you got the daily coming up in here, but really the daily zone's not till like up here somewhere. This is the 4-hour zone here that it's trying to reject off of. Yeah, really nothing until like up there. This could stay above here, possibly, but we'll see. We got sells below there for sure. Which that could break. I'm gonna mark the daily low and the 4-hour low. With some volume coming in. Wow. Oh, whoa, whoa. There's some news? There's no news. No folders anyways. Some yellow folders. Nothing crazy there. Weird. 4-hour lows. Strange. You need it to stop raining in Ohio? Just getting some rain? A little bit of rain. Ooh. So gold broke the lows. We had some random volume come in. Everything broke the lows. I don't know, but we need a new one for sure. Diddy boy, what's wrong with Apex? We need a third person though. Maybe we should just play like, yeah, like a sports game, like Madden or something. You want the bleeder candle? Nah, I can't do that yet. No bleeder candle yet. We might get a closure below here though. We still got like 2 minutes. But I know Apex is crazy, man. Okay, well, what are we gonna play that's not like all these 18-year-olds just like with reflexes like they just got born? I mean, we can't load up with me, you, and Ohio. We're all over the age of 50. Minecraft? Dude, I don't even think I could play Minecraft. Me, you, and Pawpaw will play Minecraft. Pawpaw, you want to play some Minecraft? I don't know that I could actually play it. Seriously. There's got to be something. Hold on. Let me look up games. Games for men over 40. Red Dead Redemption 2. Also Tetris. That can't be it. There's also brain training games. All right, hold up. We did get a closure below. I am going to take a sell right here if it'll come back up. Trying to decide. That looks pretty good. Might have to see it come down and make a wick. If it can like make a wick and then come back up or something. Age of Empires. Yeah, what's wrong with Age of Empires? Alright. Why don't I trust this, man? Oh, that's right. That's right. It's Monday. Forgot about that. Yeah, I mean, this is technically you got your closure below. I think I would just take it on. I'd have to take this on the MGC though, probably. If I was gonna take it. I also don't want to take on the break of that. Stream snipe the wind grinders. That's actually not a bad idea. That's actually not a bad idea at all. I think Day Boy might even be in for that. It's too hot for work today, Day Boy? Wait, that means he's playing? Alright, so here's the deal. If you guys wanted to take, if anybody in here's trading, if you guys wanted to take this, it's not bad. You did get your breakout. I'm just seeing the 4 hour kind of come into this area here. So I think I would want to wait for, I don't know, maybe even like the hour to close, because that's still open. At least the next 15 minutes to see if maybe this can close below. Like you get a closure below here and then sells, maybe. So, yeah. All right, give me a second. All right, looks like it's about to break the low there. So these are the 4-hour lows. Yeah, definitely not putting on the stream, I can tell you that. Yeah, like I said, if you like this one, doesn't look bad, but me personally, I'm just going to wait here another 3 or 4 minutes. Looks pretty good though. So we got the daily low down there. Yeah, this is the MGC chart still. Okay, so you're breaking the lows. For me, just like the risk to reward is just not there unless you got in from like here, you know, on the flip. Then maybe it's there, you know, something like this. But we got about 2 minutes for a 15-minute closure. Check out NQ. Check out Ohio's 401k. Yeah, blasting through the 4-hour lows. Daily low coming soon, maybe. Jeez. Not sure. We had some crazy volume, and then it started selling off like crazy. So, not sure what happened, but I didn't see anything on the news. Oh, 15 minutes ago. That ain't good. Senior Iranian official. Iran has decided to shift its policy from defensive to a fully offensive one. That is not gonna work. That ain't gonna work. So that's where the volume came from. Had some random news with the war. That's probably why it's selling off. There was hopes of maybe some ceasefire extensions and stuff. So there you have it. Probably where that came from. All right, we got a 15-minute closure here. This is going to close with no bottom wick. So, I mean, if I were in that, I would probably get out now, but just because of that wick. But you never know. You never know. Could just keep running down. Yeah, daily trying to flip. That is interesting though. You did have the... You had this rejection here. This resistance on the daily, so the daily chart here. And then you kind of did have this green candle close kind of right at it. So kind of a weak bullish candle. So actually it kind of makes sense that it would want to come down again. Does make sense. Yeah, it's just going down ski. Well, too overextended to sell into at the moment, even though I want to. Yeah, I gotta wait for something else here on gold too. Yeah, I'm gonna chill here for another 12 minutes. Might have to play some chess. Whoa. Here we go. Alright, I don't even know. I don't even know what 2-1 bullet is, man. I know they're going down. You know what I'm saying? Going absolutely down. Come here, buddy. Nope, can't do that. Yeah, move that. I dare you. And I'll take that trade any day of the week, brother. I'll take that trade any day of the week. Alright, now you're going down. That's all I know. Oh, nope, can't do that. Can't do that either. Yeah, do it. Oh, what? Dude, I don't know how to play chess, man. Everybody's so good. Everybody's just the best. You know what I'm saying? They're just the best. Oh, should I trade the queen? Let's just trade it. Let's trade it. Let's make it interesting. Oh, you rat. Oh, that's messed up, man. You're going down, buddy. You're going down. Get out of here. You're going absolutely down. What? Wait, what? I didn't see that coming. All right, wait, I didn't see that. Wait, he resigned. Yeah, get smoked. White resigned. Get smoked, buddy. Yeah, you guys like that? Yeah, I don't know why he resigned, but I think he was just bored. He's like, what is this guy doing? It's like, what? This guy doesn't even know how to play chess. Man, whatever. What does that guy know anyways, huh? What does that guy know? Okay, so was this trade actually worth it? Was it actually worth it? It depends on where you took it, right? So if you took it where I wanted to take it, like up there, for like a limit sell, then maybe. But if you took it here, I mean, you better get out quick. I mean, what are you going to do? Just like a wick fill or down here? Then you still have to go up there, so you're not even a 1-to-1 there. If you rolled the whole move and caught it exactly, you're over a 1. But let's say you waited for the 30-minute. Broke the lows there, right? I mean, where are you at now? You're way up in drawdown. So, I don't know. That's kind of why I didn't take it. Even though it all looked good to come down, it's just like, in this market right now, it's like you have to wait another candle just to be safe. Or another 2 candles. Also, you're coming into like, you see these 4-hour zones here? So, something to keep in mind there. Even though it all looks good. I just don't like the volume in this market, and I didn't trust it to go down like that. But I will say, if we can get a 30-minute closure, like a bullish closure, like below this line still, might be good for sells. That probably looks good. Even broke the 4-hour lows. So I think we saved ourselves here because I probably wouldn't have been out yet. And I would have gotten in too late. So like down here is just like too far for me, man. Too far. Did it too many times to come this far, and then it just comes right back up. But if we can get a bullish closure here. Oh, I need the pen. I know I can't draw, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Yeah, so if we can get like Alright, that just sucks. If we can get a bullish closure like that, then maybe we get something like this, you know, or coming back up into here, and maybe something like that. We'll see. We got 2 minutes though, and it's a 1 hour closure as well. So this would be a 1 hour breakout instead of just our 30-minute. And it actually makes sense, like on the 30-minute to what I'm saying, because the 1 hour, if it can close a little bit, you know, like higher, it looks better, right? Then we have a wick to fill here. So yeah, we'll see here in like a minute and a half. Check NQ real quick. We got like 30 seconds. I can check it real quick. As long as it goes. Yeah, it's still just kind of chilling. I mean, that's not bad, but I don't know. We'll see how that 30 closes. We got about 5 seconds here. All right, you got a 1 hour breakout now. So you could wait for a 1 hour top wick here. Maybe to come up in here and break the highs, maybe, or even just like kind of fill this wick a little bit. Yeah, maybe somewhere up in here. I'd be more willing to take a shot up here for sure. You got your 15 onion kind of for a buy, but maybe like a short buy. Yeah, I think if this breaks the low here, I'd be in. If that breaks the low, I'm in. Also, if it comes up to here, that'd be better, but you kind of got a 1 hour top wick coming back down in here.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. We are in. Yeah, so now you've kind of got this wick to fill here. Also got the 4 hour down there. Maybe that would break the lows. Maybe. Take a look here at the daily. Trying to see if this is one you'd want to hold. It starts to break. Possibly to like see the daily lows break, you know? Struggling right now. But it's kind of typical. Oh, it's her 13th birthday. That's right. Happy birthday, Natalie. That's awesome. Sweet. Yeah, I would like to hold this, but definitely. Just got to see some volume though. I mean, if the daily does want to come back down today, you know, you've got quite a bit. Quite a bit of area down here, you know. You've definitely got some room. But we'll have to see if we want to be in for that type of move. I know, a teenager. That's crazy. How's that make you feel, Ohio? Make you feel young? Wait. Boyfriend. Wait a second. Nah, that can't happen. Nah. That can't happen. That can't be possible. Dating for a while. Funny. He's surrounded by women. Wait, no way. That's crazy. 9.5? Nah. That's nuts. That is crazy. Are we surprised by gold, honestly? I'm not. Goldie Wild. Goldie boring. Goldie kind of messed up, man. Kind of messed up. That's funny. Gold, what are we doing here? Are you just gonna knock me out for no reason or what? Is that what we're doing? that what we're doing here today? Messed up. Messed up, Goldie. That's all I know. Messed up. Ain't no way, brother. See what I mean? When you're in it the wrong direction, it goes fast. Get out of here. All right, we got about 2 minutes or so for a 15-minute closure. See what happens. We'll see if we survive or not. Got about 1 minute here. Ah. It's always their friends who are dating. Yep. That's funny. That's such a weird thing. I'm just imagining being a father trying to figure that out. I'd be like, what is going on? All right, we got 5 seconds here. I don't like this little gap up that it did here. Maybe it'll come down. Maybe. It's still a 1 hour, maybe making a top wick, so could still be good. How am I number 3? I don't know. Now you're number 3. CDZ's number 1. That's why. Better pop some more hearts in there. Better say some words. Part of me, if this starts to go, wants to hold on to this, but Because I think it could move today if it's going to do that. You better talk to the boss. I don't know what to tell you. All right. Well, hopefully the 15-minute isn't just making a bottom wick to come up again, because that would be unfortunate. We do have 8:30 with the high volume coming in, obviously, in like 14 minutes, so 13 minutes. Yeah, day at number 2 is actually crazy. Yeah, that thing is, there's something wrong with that. Yeah, we'll have to see if we want to hold on to this or not. Like, this is the market in a nutshell right here. Just like going sideways at times. No volume. They swooped. Came in hot one day and swooped in. Man, this hoodie's sweet. Thanks to CEO DZ over there. The CEO. Popping out the merch. Yeah, they turned out real nice. Ohio, you can buy one for the low, low price of $500. It's a heck of a deal. 500, just cash at me right now and we'll call it good, and I promise I'll send one. I promise. I'm in. Did I say 500? I meant, did I get it? No, it's weird. It's so weird. Yeah, it's strange. I didn't get it. All right, well, this is just, you know, typical Goldie. Typical gold right now, man. No lie. But the moment I like exit the trade, it'll shoot down or something. For real. Well, we'll see if we survive 8:30 or not, or before that. We will see. Just struggling to do much at the moment. Weird, must be on your end. Yeah, must be. All right, I'll be right back. we still alive? We still alive? We're still hanging in there, huh? Kinda. Need this 5 minutes to come down. All right, let's go to the 5-second chart. We're on the 5-second chart now. Incredible. We're gonna really get after it here. All right, well, yeah, it's just like just sitting here, man. We still have 5 minutes till 8:30, so usually there's some volume before 8:30, so it could help us or knock us out real quick. Just depends. Could go either way. But we've already accepted it, so we'll see. Could either win or lose. Man, Scotty Scheffler won yesterday. Go. Come on. We'd love to see it. We're on the struggle bus. Got about 2 minutes. Like I said, could help us, could hurt us. This pre-8:30 volume usually. So we'll see what happens. Right now I don't see any ounce of going down, but all it takes is one candle. That's all it takes. I mean, an 8:30 closure, even if it is bullish, isn't very convincing right there. So we'll just have to see. Even if it does close like that. But we got about 30 seconds here. So volume's probably starting to pour in a little bit. A little bit. Got about 5 seconds. See what happens. Not much coming through, but trying to decide if it wants to like wick us out, you know. Maybe we should give ourselves a little bit of room. If it wants to break these highs real quick. We'll give us a little bit of room, but I don't want to go crazy. Check on NQ real quick. Oh, that's actually not bad for a sell. Yeah, that's actually not bad. Like up here. Probably not going to come back up. Probably not going to come back up that far. Yeah, that looks pretty good, breaking all these. Tapping up into here. Come back down. Might push through like the 4-hour and daily lows here. Probably. Yeah, 1 hour. Holy. Quite the wick. That is quite the wick. All right, gold going the wrong direction. All right, sick. Thanks, Goldie. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. All right. Goldie's trolling us. Like, look at these 5-minute candles. Insane, man. Insane. See if we can get it to turn around here. Well, it was coming down. It went right back up. Went right back up. Check NQ. It's still kind of... So went up, broke the highs, broke the lows. Same old, same old. Wow, look at those 5 minutes. 1 minute barcode there for a little bit. Price is so weird. All right, gold is just running with no wick from a area that doesn't make sense. Got it. Love it. Love it. One hour pushing up pretty good here. So we left ourselves a little bit of room, but I'm not willing to leave any more room than that. Not any more than that. 1 hour tapping in up here. Maybe now we'll get the rejection. Maybe. Yeah, maybe now, just since we got that 1 hour tapping in. We'll see. We will see. Four-hour and daily lows on the Nasdaq are like, it almost broke. Didn't break the daily though. Almost did. Did not though. Alright, we'll see if this can stop trolling around here. Would be lovely. We can get some speed down here. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, it really is just barcoding upward on the 5 minute. It's kind of weird after all these clean, like at least moves, you know, then it's just like same kind of thing. It's stuck in this weird little barcode trajectory upward. All right, we got about 2 minutes for a 15-minute closure here. Do have a 4-hour closure in about 15 minutes as well. Are they? Wait, how are you number one already? Dang, that's all it took was one more thing. Dang. They're struggling today. Are they getting hacked on? Alright, we are still just kind of struggling in this area here, but we'll see. We'll see, man. Should have been number one. Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah. Got a weird 15-minute closure. I'd rather at least on here. I mean, it looks good to just rip down, but like I'd rather wait for like a 30-minute or 4-hour closure on Nasdaq. Might just be gone anyways. Running into good teams, nice. Nice. All right, gold is just, you know, doing what it does. Just doing what it does here.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
I mean, if you can get a 1-hour closure below this now, it looks really good. But we'll have to see what happens here. I mean, the 30 still looks good, but just kind of sitting underneath here in this zone. Kind of in no man's land, you know. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Just in time to see the loss, huh? Okay. Okay, gold. How you want to be? That's how we're starting the week, huh? Okay. Like, look at this 4 hour. What is this? All right, 1 hour. Let's see. Still got about 10 minutes for a 4 hour and a 1 hour closure. Let me check Nasdaq. Yeah, I can't believe it came all the way up there again. Wow. Look at this random area it just shoots off of. Crazy, man. Crazy. Trying to rip. Trying to.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of
Just grabbed that whole area on the 4 hour. Flipped around. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. Going all the way back up here. Doesn't mean it's going to go up, though. Doesn't mean it's going to go up. Maybe.
the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take
Yeah, I'd much rather be in cells up here for sure.
the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding.
But we got about 5 or 6 minutes for a 4 hour and a 1 hour closure. To see how that winds up. All right, we'll see what happens here. About 3 minutes. Go to NQ. Yeah, daily just doesn't look very convincing, does it? 4 hour could close bearish like this. Then we wait for, you know, top wick to come down. Might be an opportunity here on NQ. Maybe. Possibly. Might be a better opportunity than gold. Gold just was running up. All right, we got about a minute and a half. If gold's still running. So it did tap into the zone though, up there. But it already kind of tapped in there once. Doesn't look like it has any plans of slowing down. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, see, we got about a minute. I might be more interested in this, honestly, but one hour like weak bullish closure. Wait for a wick up here and then sell, possibly. What happens here in like 20 seconds? All right, here we go. Kind of wanted that to go up first. But we'll
Order
take that.
filled.
We'll take that. So we got a new 4 hour, new 1 hour, obviously a new 30. See what happens here. Closed below or right at it. See what the daily, so this would be breaking the daily lows down here. 4 hour, 1 hour. if it wanted to, obviously. I think I am gonna go break even just in case. We're gonna go break even just in case, take the risk off the table. Who wants to troll us here?
Order filled.
All right. So it shot back up. It still could go down and just send it down here today, but we'll take the risk off. Worth a shot. Honestly, it still could come up and make a better top wick as well. Or it'll wick us out to the exact point and just go down. That figures. That figures, man. To the exact decimal on the 1 minute. Literally. I can't tell you how many times that's happened. Can't tell you. See what gold's doing. So you did get a closure above on gold. On the 4 hour, 1 hour. Pretty good, huh? Does look pretty good. Yeah, we'll have a buy stop. 3 micros. We did get the closure above. New 4 hour candle. Oh man. All right, we got about 5 minutes here. 15-minute closure. I'm gonna delete this. Delete it for another 15-minute closure. Got about 5 minutes for that. See what we got here in about 2 minutes. Might start running before we even get 2 minutes. Yeah, a lot of times it does nothing the whole time until like a minute before the candle closure, and then it does something that like gets some volume in it. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. But I didn't want to be in it like a minute before, get activated a minute before, and then the candle comes out and wicks the bottom lows. Didn't want to be in that either. All right, got a new 15 right now coming in. Have a weird closure there. Yeah, I would want more of a wick down here, but we might not get it. You might not get it. Yeah, 1 hour breakout, 1 hour bottom wick. Just no entry, really. I mean, unless we can get a wick down here, I would like that. But again, you just might not get the wick. Could just run up there. Unless this wants to come into this 4 hour rejection area there and still reject. I don't know, that'd be kind of crazy though. But this is more where I would like the sells. So. It is more where I would like the sells, but probably just gonna run, I would imagine. But
Order filled.
we're gonna try it. Got 10 micros right now, so one contract basically, one mini. We're gonna try it. If it runs, it runs. See what happens. Might just run up. Might just run up. Excuse me. All right, what do we got on NQ? Still trying to rip through the daily lows there, looks like. Trying to. I'm on MGC, aren't I? I think we're about to get wicked out anyways. Coming for us again, man. These zones never hold. They don't really like to hold anymore. Not a whole lot.
Order filled.
All right, there it is. Goldie's still just running, man. So that's where it got us. See what happens there. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we got about 4 minutes for 9:30. About 4 minutes. So we got on NQ. Daily lows again, kind of. It doesn't go very far, but it does want to flip, it looks like. So this actually looks pretty good. It actually looks really good. You get a closure below. You get that closure below and then you break the daily lows. You just don't know if it's gonna actually run or if it's gonna come and make a wick. Kind of like down in here maybe or something. Yeah, I mean that's the 4-hour support there. Yeah, we'll see here. We'll see, man. See what we get here in 2 minutes. See what happens. All right, we got about 20 seconds here. See what kind of closure we get. About 5 seconds. Closed above this, but below that. 4-hour doesn't have a top wick yet. All these nasty wicks. Yeah, like I said, 4 hour, I mean, it's still bullish, but I mean, maybe it doesn't want to break. Wants to just run up. For sure could. Kind of getting that vibe. Yeah, maybe it just took the lows and come back up, maybe. We'll see. That noise up here. It's trying to go up a little bit. Definitely trying, and I could see it. I could definitely see it, but I could also see it to come down here. Calls are done for the day? Nice. Like that. Like it.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think we're going to take some buys. Looks good to kind of turn around here. But has to push. Definitely needs some push. For sure. Needs a little speed. A little speedy Gonzalez action. Wasn't that a cartoon? Wasn't it? Am I crazy? Pretty sure.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of
It was Speedy Gonzalez.
to dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
They called you Speedy Gonzalez. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen. I believe it.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout the
See if we can pop back up here after breaking these lows, grabbing all that.
take my mind will break. Will it break?
Let's see. Got to push past this.
Can I be your superhero?
Got to push past that. All right, we got about 5 minutes for a 15-minute closure. About 5 minutes.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream.
Again, it just pops into another one of these like sideways zones. Makes a move, sideways zone. Makes a move, sideways zone. So weird.
Gonna give it a shot. Only one
Super weird.
to shield you all from the enemy.
But we'll have to see where this 15-minute ends up in about 4.5 minutes. See what we want to do. 3 minutes. Let's see what kind of closure we get here. On the 15. In about a minute, we'll kind of decide what to do from there. I mean, if we get a strong bullish closure, I'm staying in for sure. But we'll see. All right, we got a closure coming in. Yeah. I'm going to move some into profit here. Think, or just take.
Order filled.
Just take that. I don't like that closure as much. Still bullish, but kind of weak. Kind of weak, so. We'll just take a small win there. Just get out there. Didn't love that closure. All right. $30-minute coming down on gold. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Man, it's cold. Feels a little chilly. A little chilly. At least the air's working. Be much worse the other way without some AC. All right, we'll see what happens here. It might be better anyways on NQ. It kind of sucks that we got out, but it was just a weak closure, man. Things just don't add up on here, and it's just like, yeah. Just a weak closure. Ends up running anyways. So, now we just need to wait for closure above. Amen. Yeah, just need to wait for this closure above. Might look better anyways. See what happens. So, waiting for a closure below or above here. Nice. Can't tell if things are in the song or not. Ooh, my hands are freezing. All right, we got about 3.5 minutes for a 30-minute closure here. See what we get here. So these are the new 4-hour highs. 4 hours only been open for about an hour now, but that is the 4-hour highs. So that's why I like the closure above. Have to see if we can get it. Could look good. All right, coming for the 4-hour highs. Breaking those a little bit. A little bit. All right, we got about a minute. See what we end up with here. Gotta be careful here that it's not gonna make like a giant bottom wick, you know, on the 1 hour, you know, 1 hour close like that, and then a 1 hour like way down here. We'll have to see. Got about 4 seconds. All right, not much of a wick there, but I wouldn't mind this coming down and making a wick down here and then flying back up again, honestly. Or it's just gonna run without it. That could also happen. That could also happen. I also wouldn't mind a sell here just to make the bottom wick, you know what I mean? Just to make like the 1 hour bottom wick.
Order filled.
Yeah, so we're in there. I think it like hit us a little bit there. anticipating a steeper wick, but still looks good for buys. Yeah, I mean, if it wicks me out there, I'm just gonna...
Order filled.
Gonna head into the buys. We'll see what happens. I mean, it looks good.
Order filled.
Breaking the 4-hour highs. 4-hour coming up nice. 1 hour making a bottom wick off the zone. I just was anticipating a steeper one. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Needs a little pizzazz to it here. I would think you would get some, but yeah, I mean, you got plenty of room here too. You got plenty of room to go up and beyond here, so this could be one I hold, man. Might be one I'm interested in holding. Let's see. See something. This would be like the absolute close full position. Basically because you can't make more than that on the account. So I want to make sure I have that marked out because honestly, when I look at the daily, you know, the next zone, this closed above, if this wants to just celery stick up here, you know, you got plenty of zone there. 4 hour, if that breaks the highs. I look to the left here. I mean, the zone's not till up there, so it's not an unrealistic target when you zoom out, in my opinion. Just depends if it wants to get there or not. But it doesn't look unrealistic to me. So, not unrealistic when I zoom out. Come on, pizzazz. Needs a little oomph is all. Oh man, my eye itches so bad, but I got contacts in. Sucks, you can't really itch it. Can't really itch it. Be nice to push through this zone here. Yeah. Yeah, if you forget, that sucks also. All right, well, it is pushing into this zone here, so we'll have to see. There's another zone there. I really didn't think it would have any problem with this, to be honest with you. I knew this closed with no bottom wick or no top wick, and then went into the zone, but I mean, look at that 4 hour. Yeah, I guess we'll see, man. Oh, now it's bugging. I would love to wait for this, you know, like for the 15-minute. We got 5 minutes to see how it closes. I hate to just cut out early or go break even and then it runs up again, but don't love the rejection. I thought maybe it would just push through, but there's really no solid moves like that anymore, it seems like. So, but I just want to see this through, I think. Oh yeah, it itches, man. Can't wait till my new contacts get here. These suck. These are no bueno. Time for an upgrade. Yeah, I'm hoping the 4 hour kind of supersedes all this, you know what I mean? You know, the 1 hour no top wick, 30-minute zone here. The 4 hours should just push through it though. Oh snap! Day Boy's coming back for that number 2 spot, huh? Better hope Ohio left. You better hope he left. Dang, my contacts. Oh, he got it. He already got it back, man. Dang. That was quick. You just needed a couple messages is all. Dang, Ohio's gonna be sad about that. He already was earlier. Oh, there he is. There he is. Classic. Alright, I want to hold on for these last 2 minutes here and see what happens. But, I don't know, it's just trying to come down on us, man. They don't want to see me winning. How could this happen? Wait, how are you number 1 now? You took CEO Deezy's. You took her spot. Messed up. It's messed up. Alright, we got about a minute here. I know the algorithm. He might, actually. He actually might know it. Yo, the markets are trolling us, bro. Absolutely trolling us. This is insane, man. Look at that. Oh, brother. Well, we're committed now, man. We're committed now. Call me crazy? Alright, we did get a bullish closure here, but got to run up. It's gotta head on up. Yeah, markets are, you know, doing their thing today. Definitely. Definitely doing it today, man. Yeah, somebody needs a Trump tweet here on Nasdaq. Somebody get Trump on the phone and send it up. You know what I'm saying? I think we're gonna hang in here. See if it can push through this. See if the 4 hour can break the highs again. And run up. Gotta push through though. Yeah, I am going to move stops into profit a little bit, though. I mean, if it wants to go up there again, and then reject, I'm not trying to lose again. All right, I'll see you in a bit. One of those days, man. One of those months, really. Years. This is absolutely criminal. Absolutely criminal. Well, at least the risk is off the table. Just having a hard time with some follow through. Big time. Whoops. Almost hit a wrong button. Hit the wrong button, Chief. Having a hard time pushing through. See how this 5-minute closes. We need a legendary 5-minute candle. Absolutely legendary. That's what we need. Day be trading off the 5-second. Little 5-second chart. To be in there. Bullish 5-minute candle. You love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. And that's already one Jocko down, man. Still early. Yeah, like I said, if the 4-hour wants to push through here, man, I don't see why not. I don't see why it can't keep going. But you got to push through this stupid little zone here. Zone is criminal. I can't even go to the right far enough, man. Or the left. I can't even find anything over here. Holy. Oh, there's something. Yeah, so if we can push through these wicks, man. Looks pretty good. Gotta push on through, man. Having a real hard time there. You're just kind of hanging in there, though. Kind of hanging in. As soon as I say that, it starts going down. Classic.
Call me crazy.
Call me crazy. Yeah, I don't remember what he said, man. It was something good, though, for sure. We're having a hard time here. I'll be right back. What's happening right now? What is happening right now? Yeah, we'll see what happens here, man. We got about a minute and a half. See if we can push through this zone. Either way, we cut the risk off the table. We could take one contract here, take a small win, and then just let the rest run. Could do that. We could. All right, we got about 30 seconds here. But kind of at that zone right now. Jeez. Far do you have to go? Far do you have to go, man? Check on gold real quick. Gold just ran up here. Goldie just ran up, man. All in. Yo, is that Martin? Dang. Dang, Martin. Come on, baby. Let's go. Michigan's in here, Martin. Come on. Yeah, I mean, I think we're just going to ride this one out. It is what it is at this point. Hopefully it doesn't wick us out. Whoops, I did not mean to move that. Did not mean to move that. I'm all in. All in. Yeah, it looks like it's just one of those days, man. One of those days, there's just nothing. No follow through, nothing. Except for on the wrong direction, and then it just speeds right to your loss, you know? It's just typical. Typical, man.
Order filled.
All right, break even here again. We could have taken a little bit, but yeah, it's just not what I was looking for. Not what I was looking for. Yeah, it's Martin. Martin. Just one of those days, man. I know. For real. This is just typical, man. Absolutely typical on gold. Or NQ, my bad. NQ. Typical. But honestly, this could just wick us out and go straight back up. Honestly. Tends to happen to me. Which I wouldn't mind entering again down here. I wouldn't mind it. We'll have to see where though. I mean, the 1 hour no top wick, if it does want to come down, I mean, insane, man. It's the story of this year, man. When I were trying to flip, but we'll see. We'll see, man.
Order filled.
All right, we're in there again. We're in there again. We'll see, man.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. It's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
Yeah, the 1 minute's fun to look at. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. I would never. Yeah, like you didn't. Like you didn't. I would never. You noticed it and you changed it right away. You want me to say your address on stream? You want me to tell him? Just ain't our day, fellas. Just ain't it, man.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
go for it. Yeah, this just ain't our day, man. This ain't it. I'm out, brother. I'm for sure out. Can't do it anymore. All right, let's pray. Father God, I just thank you for today. Thank you for a good weekend with my parents, and I just pray that you bless their time on the road, that you would get them home safely. Just thank you for the stream, the community you're building, and the good habits that you're building in us today, Lord. We just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Appreciate y'all, bro. I will, catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace.